Yo, what's up guys? Sumrock Luna here. So ngayon walang unboxing muna, medyo busy sa work. So gagawin natin just for a quick sharing lang. So may na-acquire ako last year pa to, ngayon ko lang nagawa ng video. So big shout out to K-Light Collectibles, Kuis Renz. Yan. So na-acquire ko to sa kanya, isang Venom card. So way back siguro huling nakakita ako nito way back 1995. Ayan. Elementary to high school days pa. So ayan, naka-acquire natin siya. Napakaganda, may case pa. Solid kasi naghanap ako para sa aking Venom collection. And may background pa guys kung titingnan nyo. Background info, my ratings and everything. Ayan. And may konting backstory. So ayan guys, samahan nyo ako. Lalagay ko lang siya sa aking Venom collection. Alright, let's go! So ayun guys, this is just a quick share. So this is one of my grail for me, ang Venom collection ko. So we got a 1/6 scale third party Venom. Nakuha ko yan kay Triple M. Big shout out to Kuya Mark and Ate Karen. Ayan. So meron din tayong Gameverse. This is from Rael Toys Collectibles. Ayan, napaka-solid. Then yung isa is Toy Beast na Ultimate Venom. Nakuha ko naman yan, if I'm not mistaken, kay Alwin. And ito Marvel Legends Venom movie. Yan yung first release. Ito naman kay Kuya Dran. So ayan, so isasama natin siya, Kuya Dran ng Timber Toys. Ito, ayan. So madami pa akong Venom collection na iba. Tapos itong maliit na Black Symbiote na 3.75, syempre kay Throttle P lang naman. So ayan, sinama ko na lang ang Venom Pool na Funko Pop para mas maangas sa collection. So ilalagay ko siya dyan. Ang hinahanap ko na lang is backdrop na comics, kahit yung cover page lang, para at least maganda sa acrylic box natin. So ayan, mayroon pa akong ibang Venom hindi na nagkasya, lalong icons. Syempre nandun sa lagayan na lang, sa sobrang laki niya. And meron pa tayo yung Black King na Venom, which is nandito naman sa side. So ayan siya. Okay, quick. So yun guys, kung napapansin nyo, lahat sila black. Yes, lahat black. Hindi ko masyado kinukuha ang blue Venom masyado kasi I prefer all black. So yun lang naman guys. So again, big shout out to K-Light Collectibles. Another bag on our collection. Thank you, Sir Renz. And again, this is Sumrock Luna. Thank you for watching. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube. And again, collect responsibly. Bye guys! So ayun na nga guys, additional lang, papakita ko lang din, kalimutan kong isama ang 3.7 ang 6 inches natin from Blowkeys, na napaka-awesome articulation. Another one bag on my collection, and as well yung Fanjoy na medyo nakaka-disappoint, pero as a Venom collector, isama na natin yan. Alright, bye!
We are Venom.